Ever felt like you're trapped in a digital labyrinth, clicking and scrolling, searching for that elusive delete button? You know, that feeling when you're trying to escape a service you no longer need, and it feels like it's designed to keep you forever? Yeah, me too. And today we're tackling a big one, Square appointments. Maybe you've moved to a different scheduling system, or you're scaling back your business, or you just want a clean slate. Whatever the reason, you need to delete your Square appointments account. But how? It's a question that pops up a lot, and it's understandable. Square, while incredibly powerful and versatile, can sometimes feel a bit complex when it comes to account management. So let's cut through the confusion and get you on your way. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand the difference between deleting your Square appointments account and deleting your entire Square account. These are not the same thing. Think of Square as the big umbrella, and Square appointments as one of the many services underneath it. If you're using other Square services like Square Point of Sale, Square Online, or Square Invoices, deleting your Square appointments account won't affect those. However, deleting your entire Square account will wipe everything. So let's assume you just want to say goodbye to Square appointments, not the whole Square ecosystem. That's what we'll focus on. First things first, there's a bit of a catch. You can't directly delete your Square appointments account through a simple button press. Square's system is designed to manage various interconnected services, and direct deletion isn't an option. What you can do, however, is effectively disable it, remove all associated data, and prevent any further charges. Think of it as a strategic retreat rather than a full-blown demolition. We'll be dismantling the structure bit by bit, ensuring nothing remains. Let's break this down into clear, actionable steps. Step 1. Cancel your subscription if applicable. If you're on a paid Square appointment subscription, this is absolutely crucial. You need to stop those recurring charges. Head to your Square dashboard. Log in and look for the Account and Settings section. This is often found in the navigation menu on the left. Once there, find Subscriptions. You should see your Square appointment subscription listed. Click on it and follow the prompts to cancel. Make sure you get confirmation that the subscription is canceled. Why is this important? Even if you remove all your data, Square might still try to bill you if the subscription is active. So, this is your first line of defense. Step 2. Remove all your appointments and customer data. This is where the real work begins. You need to manually remove all your appointments, services, staff profiles, and customer data associated with Square appointments. Appointments. Go to your Square appointments calendar. Select each appointment individually and delete it. This can be time-consuming if you have a lot of appointments, but it's essential for a clean slate. Services. Navigate to the Services section in your Square appointment settings. Delete each service you've created. Staff profiles. If you've added staff members, go to the Staff section and delete their profiles. Customers. This is a big one. Go to your customer directory within Square. You'll need to delete any customers specifically associated with Square appointments. Be careful here, as deleting customers here will delete them from your overall Square customer directory as well, if they are not used in other Square services. If you need to retain these customers for other Square services, you'll need to export them and remove them from Square appointments. Step 3. Disconnect any third-party integrations. If you've connected Square appointments to any other apps or services, you need to disconnect them. Go to your Square dashboard and look for the Apps or Integrations section. Find any integrations related to Square appointments and disconnect them. This prevents any lingering data from being shared after you've disabled the service. Step 4. Deactivate online booking. If you've enabled online booking, you need to deactivate it. Go to your Square appointment settings and find the online booking options. Disable it. This ensures that no new appointments can be booked through your Square appointments page. Step 5. Remove your booking site if applicable. If you have a dedicated booking site through Square appointments, you'll need to remove it. This usually involves going to the online booking section and finding the site settings. There should be an option to disable or remove the site. Step 6. Contact Square support, optional but recommended. While you can't directly delete the account, contacting Square support can be beneficial. Explain that you want to disable Square appointments and remove all associated data. They can provide guidance and ensure that everything is properly handled on their end. They can also confirm that no further charges will be incurred. Now, you might be thinking, this is a lot of work just to disable a service. And you're right. It's not as straightforward as it should be. But by following these steps, you'll effectively remove all your data and prevent any further activity on your Square Appointments account. Let's address some common questions that pop up during this process. Can I export my customer data before deleting it? Yes, you can. Square allows you to export your customer data in a CSV file. This is crucial if you want to keep a record of your customer information for other purposes. Go to your customer directory and look for the export option. What happens to my payment history? Your payment history related to Square Appointments will remain in your Square account. However, since you're disabling the service, no new payments will be processed through it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.